Cat 6550 mHz UTP 1000 feet. Unshielded twisted pair, UTP, cable 550 MHz. 23 AWG wires made of solid bare copper conductors. ETL type CMR for indoor and riser network installations. Exceeds TIA, EIA 568C.2 specifications. This Cat6 unshielded twisted pair, UTP, cable is a high-performance data communication cable suitable for 550 mHz high-speed applications. It has excellent attenuation and crosstalk characteristics and exceeds TIA, EIA 568C.2 specification. This Ethernet cable is designed for indoor and riser network installations and is approved by ETL to be type CMR. The wires are 23 AWG in size and are made of solid bare copper conductors. All four pairs are easily identified by color stripes. The insulation material is PE and the jacket is made of PVC. This cable is supplied in 1000 feet pole box and sequential length markings are printed on the jacket. Brand for this product is Vertical Cable. Top reviews from the United States. It carries electrons very well. What can I say, it works.